Hi class. Some of you guys have been asking about APA formatting for the reference page, so this is what I can tell you. If you go to the content section right here, go to the useful resources, click on this document, okay? This will give you some links on information on how to set up a works cited page, but let me draw your attention to the sample here. Okay, so here's some points of interest. Please note that all references are always listed in alphabetical order, okay? The first line is always left justified, and all lines after that first one are indented. Most of you guys are going to be using web sources, so this is the formatting of a web source that I can walk you through. Okay, if you have an author, great, use that. If you don't, then in the first part here, you'll use some sort of organization, okay? If you have an author, you write it in this format right here. Last name, comma, first initial, period, okay? And all the punctuation has to be precise. If you have, a organization, then this is what you'll use. For example, Canadian Food Inspection Agency, period. Okay. After that, there's a space. Within your brackets, you're going to have the date. Sometimes the dates will come with just a year. Sometimes they will have a month and a day. Give whatever you have. Okay. Most of the time, again, it's just going to be that year. So dates are within brackets, and then there's a period. Again, everything has to be precise. Then there's going to be a space, okay? And then after that space, going up here to the web resource, after that space, you're going to have the title of the article, and you're going to put that in italics. If the title of the article includes punctuation, that's where you'll end it. If it doesn't include a punctuation, what you'll do is you will add a period to the end of that, like right here. After that, you're going to move on. There's going to be a space, and you're going to say retrieved, and give the date that you access the information in the form of month, space, day, comma, space, year, comma, and then you're going to provide the web address for that. So you're going to say from HTTP, et cetera, web address. Please note that the web addresses here are not in blue, they're not underlined, so remove any hyperlinks, okay? So again, your bibliography should be in alphabetical order. That first line left justified, all lines after that indented, and the punctuation has to be precise, okay? Same with the spacing, and same with the order of the information that's written. Sometimes you may not have an author or an organization. Then what you would do is you would use the title of the article here. But if you do have an author or an organization, that goes here, and your title goes after the date. Sometimes you're not going to actually have the date, okay? So what you would do, actually I'll just type it up here for reference. If there is no date, what you'll do is you'll have a bracket, little n, period, d, period, comma. So it'll look like this right here. And you'll use that in the place of the, in place of the year, okay? I hope this starts to make sense for proper APA formatting. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.